Hi, I'm Taruka Nanakara and my UOB number is 1812679. We implemented a beverage suggesting system according to the mood, which is detected via a questionnaire for a coffee shop, and the system is based on RMI. The system consists of client side as well as a server side. I implemented the client side, and this is the remote interface which allowed the client as well and the server to communicate with each other, and my partner implemented the server side and she will explain the rest of the system.
Hello, I'm Peshanjali Herath and my UOB ID number is 1812877. So this is our database where all the data of our system is saved, and I'm handling the server side of the Java RMI system. So first I'm going to start the server. So here a server object is registered with the RMI registry. Before logging into the system, an admin should be registered. So first I'm going to register an admin. All the fields of this form are validated. After registering to the system, an admin can log using that username and the password. So this is the admin panel UI. Now Taruka will continue.
Now a client will log into the system. Here both the fields are validated. And this is the place where the validation is coded. And then and if the same client tries to log into the system within the same day, it won't allow. Here this function is validated with the name and the date and the email. Here it prompts a message saying it's the access denied, and Pesanjali will explain the server-side implementation.
And this is the code where the server checked the customer details added to the system. And this UI shows all the clients who has logged into the system, and we refresh it, we can view the most recent client. Adding questions and adding beverages to the system also done by the admin. In here, the admin can view all the available questions in our system. And also an admin can add the beverage with the type and the price. Type in the sense the warm or cold. In here, the admin can view all the available drinks. If the admin wants to remove any item or a beverage, he can choose one and delete. So now Taruka will explain further.
After the customer logs into the system, he will be directed to this UI, and he can answer the set of questions where 6 random questions will be selected from the database and will be prompted to the client to be answered. and also client or the customer can analyze his answers with the rest of the customers who have logged into the system within the day. The result analysis class will do the analysis of the provided answers, and along with the answering, the total of the answers will be calculated and passed to the server side via the remote method, which will suggest the beverages that is appropriate with the calculated total.
And this is the code where the server get the total calculated from the client side, and out of the cold and warm beverages, the relevant beverage will be displayed according to the total.
And then the customer can view the suggested beverages by clicking the beverage button, and he will be directed to a UI where when he click the show result button, he can see the suggested beverages, and also show all button will show all the beverages that is present in the database of the system. And by considering the suggested beverages or according to his own preference, he can select whatever the beverage he like, and he can view the order. Here the order will be displayed via a JSON. This is a place where the order is taken via a JSON and displayed to a table. And also the customer can see the total of his bill, and if he is happy with the current condition, he can place the order.
And this is the code where the JSON object get decoded and display the order details. So the order details will be shown in this UI. So this is the latest order done by the client.
And also if client wants, he can add a suggestion. By giving the name and the suggestion that she or he wants. And when the suggestion is placed, it can be viewed from the server side.
Suggestions made by the clients can be viewed in this UI. So this is the recent suggestion made by our client.
And we have implemented a test class for the testing purpose of our system, and the test class is implemented for the client class, and also there's a test class implemented in the server side.
And also there is an UI to edit the details of the admin. So here we can select the admin and view the details, and we can edit any detail. And also there is a report for the current customer details. So here all the customer details will be shown in a report, and also for all the order details. That's all about our RMI system. So thank you.
Thank you.